All right, welcome everyone. So this is a weight loss session, not so much weight loss session, but a dietitian's perspective of how to lose weight in a healthy way. So I'm going to introduce first Meenakshi, who will be doing the introduction for our dietitian Prabha today. Meenakshi?
Yes, thank you. So, hi guys. Prabha is my golden child, I guess. She's a dietitian that is based in Jalandhar, and yes, sorry, there you go. And she was introduced to me by one of my mentees, who happens to be her sister. And this conversation that I've had with this sister was 2 years back, and she said whenever Mudai goes to India, you have to have Prabha. She will be your person. She will help you, and she's going to build you up. So that is how I was introduced to her. Prabha is a dietitian and is a wellness expert with an 18 years experience. She has experience in Masters of Food and Nutrition, and she has working experience with VLCC, which is one of the pioneer company in India for weight loss and slimming. So over to Prabha. She is one of my persons who has utmost knowledge. She has studied the fact sheets. She knows all the ingredients. And there was one question that I had from her, which everybody asked: why we don't have carrot in our program? And she explained it so beautifully that I think she's the best person. She's going to guide you through with that query as well.
So we need to know why. So we need to know why. We need to hear that explanation.
That explanation is very good because of the products that we have. Yes. There is one supplement, and Prabha, batao, put those things through. Why carrot is not there? Let's start with that first.
All right. Okay. So thank you very much, Meenakshi. Thank you very much. So let's bring in Prabha. Prabha is a dietitian in India. So I will just let Prabha do the talk. She has her information she wants to share with you guys. So I'll leave the whole session to Prabha now. Prabha, it's yours now.
So, hi everyone, this is Prabha, and as Vijaya and Meenakshi has boosted me a lot, I really, thank you so much for giving this, platform to talk. I have been working from last 18 years as a nutritionist and a wellness expert with one of the India's leading company, VLCC. But you know what, we have been dealing with people in face to face. We have never kind of this conversation on the, this kind of Zoom meeting or something where I can share my experience and all. So if related to this, today I was about to talk, and they have been given a topic like, healthy eating during weight loss, how we can eat healthy and stay fit, how we can maintain our body fitness with a healthy eating, which is a very important topic because, what I would like to share you here, not only about the tips while eating healthy, but also where the people do have a lot of queries regarding that if I'm going to a certain weight loss program or a fitness program or a wellness program, am I going to leave all my lifestyle and, put myself isolated, to make sure that I should be stay fit. But honestly speaking, we truly don't believe on these things. We really have to make sure that we should be fit from inside as well as outside. It's not important that what size and shape you are. It's important at how fit you are. During this, last year, 2020, when we had this pandemic, and I'm sure all of us has learned a lot of lesson from this. We have been exposing ourselves, talking to a lot of people, going out, making all those, remedies. But believe me, people, those who were internally fit, their immunity was very good. They really stayed fit for a long time. They was never been, got such kind of problems in their life. So if I connect myself in a food, diet, and fitness, I will literally say that please go on a healthy way to lose your weight, to stay fit. Weight loss is one aspect to lose weight, but it is also important that you should maintain a healthy lifestyle, because it's not a day affair. You want to stay fit for lifelong. So once you are getting in this program, you should at least make sure yourself that you should be eating nicely, and especially on a homemade thing, something which is natural, something which is practical, something which is toward possibilities.
वो तो खड़े दुपट्टे के साथ ही जा रहा है आजकल.
Yeah. So I would like to share you the 10 steps where the weight loss can be happen. And it is like a very easy way. While losing weight, maintaining yourself, maintaining your healthy lifestyle, we should keep at least 4-5 things in our routine, that we should make sure that we should have these things in our diet and lifestyle. Number one, our food should be full of fibers. We should have a lot of fibers, because fiber is gives a satiety value. It gives you the fuller effect. So for a long time, you don't feel hungry. Because half of the time we really don't notice that what kind of food we should take, because when we are free, we feel like we should eating, which we call as a fashion foods, or we call as a craving. Craving is nothing like in our dictionary, Craving is all your mind made. So when you are eating only wrong things and you're not having enough fiber in your diet, your body start digesting very easily, and it makes you again, demanding body for food. And end of the day, we'll land up into wrong eating. The second important things is like we should ditch to add sugar. Added sugars, sugar which is present, it's required. As we have created a villain for a sugar, that sugar is something which is not required. We should start eating sugar free. We should start taking something which can cut down our sugars. There's nothing which can cut down your sugars. But important is what we can do it. You should not add the sugars. We can add the sugars through fruits. Like we can have apples. We can have something which is fruit, which is sweet, which will easy to digest because it is made naturally and your body will absorb it nicely. Even you can add something which is like little sweeter. Sweet can make your feel good, because sugar is also required in our diet, because it helps you to leave, and it work as a antidepressant. It will actually release your serotonin hormones, which makes you feel good. So we require meetha. That's the reason the Cadbury's has this ad, meetha ho jaye. That is what caption which has been taken from a company to make yourself to get into that chocolates. Third is make your room for healthy fat. Fat, again, the question is like we making the fat which is not good. Good fat and bad fat are two different things. The good fat is required for our body, and we should always consider something which is nice to our body. Fat gives a mobilization. Whatever you are eating, you need to get digest, it need to get absorbed, and then it need to be excrete from your body. This can only happen when you're having something which is lubricant. Fat work as a lubricant to your body. So one should not cut down 100% fat. You should take a natural fat, like from a meat fat, chicken. You can take it something, externally we can have a little amount of, limited amount of spoon of ghee or olive oil, whichever is available around you. You should take these things, not too much high, but it has to be into a very normal and a measurable amount. Fourth, we have minimize distraction. A very important factor, which is I would like to bring a light on this, is a distraction. We generally eat our food while chatting, watching TV. And I have been seeing these days, I have been visiting a lot of people, even in my clients when I go, I make sure that I should never have my TV, on a wall mounted near my dining table. Because when we have this distraction, we don't actually, take food properly. Our body will not absorb properly. In India, we follow this Ayurveda, yoga, mindful eating. This is all about taking a colors. We got all about the colorful eating, designing on the plate. When we are not seeing that plate, what is the point of taking? That means we are just eating. Just we are making our mouth work and our stomach work. We are not absorbing that. This absorption works psychologically in our body, which helps us to feel satisfied, and that craving goes off. The fifth thing is like may walk your way to health. Now, when we are going to any of the celebrations, party or gatherings or any of the social, we should not make ourselves little funny that we are on diet, or we are talking about, less food eating, or I don't eat this, I don't want that. You should always opt for the healthy option. Go for something which is healthy for you. Healthy means health, means which gives you energy. Energy means, you should go for something which you are able to digest properly, and you are able to be comfortable, comfortable in that. No matter whatever quantity you are taking it. It is important that you should take in a proper manner, which is required for your body, because then I need my portion size. I need my, capacity, what I can eat. I should not go by anybody else's word. The sixth factor, which is important for healthy eating, is bringing out your inner chef. Let's be creative, This lockdown, I think in India, I don't know about other places, around my places, everybody has become a chef. Everybody has tried a new dishes. Everybody understand, initially we used to order something and we used to get and we used to eat. Now people understand what amount of fat has been used, what amount of oil has been used, what kind of quality has been used. So you take out your inner chef, so that you should be creative. Your involvement should be there. Your, positive energy should be there. You should feel good factor. And end of the day, after eating, you should be satisfied. Oh, I have now created something good which can help me to stay fit. Seventh is having a high protein rich breakfast. Now, why protein is important in breakfast? Because as I know, all you know that protein is a powerhouse. After a long sleep, we take our dinner by 8, 9, or 10 maximum, and we get up in the morning by 6. So this complete 9 hours difference, 8 to 9 hours difference, we are breaking the fast, which is called as a breakfast. Breakfast means breaking the fast. So when we are breaking the fast, we need something which is a high energy foods. We should involve a high protein, because protein will give you a satisfaction, a fuller effect. It will take a long time to digest, and it will make you happy when you're eating, and you don't get frequently, hungry. So that eating in a small portion and eating a quality portion is really important for us to stay fit and healthy in anything, be it weight loss, be it fitness, be it wellness, or be it management also. You need to make sure that your protein should be balanced. Now, question is this, how much protein is required for a body? Eating protein does not mean you should take anything and everything and whichever quantity. Even in this Madeira, we have seen this. When we talk about the BioCell, we talk about the trim, there's certain quantity which is there, because this quantity will help us to absorb in our body and will make us body fit. We should not take over, otherwise you will feel constipated. You will not able to digest, which we call as an after effect. But this is not our after effect. This is basically an over portion which we have consumed. Number 8 is don't drink your calories. Now, if I'm talking about the calories, having juices, having fruits, not eating fruits, having juices has become a very common practice. So let's work on the calories part. When we talk about the calories, anyway, if you're losing weight or gaining weight, your calorie count has to be there. So we should always make sure that we should take a lot of food, which is we should chew it, because while chewing, we are using our saliva, we are increasing our taste buds from our mouth. That is going to our stomach. Again, the enzymes are working fine. And then our body enzymes will, whatever you're taking it, the body enzyme will digest properly, it will absorb properly, and it will get you enough nutrition, which your purpose of eating. If you're eating a high protein food, but not chewing properly, then you will not able to get that kind of protein, which has been supplied by the fruit. So we should always make sure that we should take a good amount of, calorie content, and not making sure that we are taking and eating on rush, or we should make sure that we should sit down properly, comfortable zone, and take your proper foods. After that, we have a 9th position, which is, I feel, which is 9th point, which is important, is smart shopping. Now, shopping has to be smart when you are buying it. You should take a nutrition content, a food content, calorie content, and then smart shopping. If I have to take an option of a, if I'm working and I don't have time, and I feel like I have to take food which can give me enough energy, because I have to go out and I'll be no time for eating for 5-6 hours. So I'll go for high protein food. I'll go for some scrambled eggs with some, sandwiches, or we can have something with fruits, vegetables, with a lot of, milk added, so that it should give us a satiety value. We should smart shop, so that we should buy something which is nutritious. And 10th, but the important factor, which is related to a healthy eating, is water. we should stay hydrated. Without water, everything will go waste. If you're not taking enough water in our diet, you are not able to absorb things. Understand, fat is not absorbent. If I see the chemical structure, and if I go we go through appearances, you cannot mix anything in fat so easily. If you're making cake also, or baking a cake also, if you put fat or butter and you put something else, it will take time to whisk and make the. But if you take water and if you mix sugar, salt, or any vitamins, it is absorbed easily, it is mixed easily. So understand, water is a precious thing and a very important thing during the weight loss. We should watch how much water we are taking. Overwater and underwater taking is also a question. We should at least take 4 to 5 liters water in a day. If you are having a work lifestyle of more exposed to sun or more of physical work, then that requirement also increases as per your physical work. So this is something which I feel like, I personally feel like as a nutritionist, or I'm sure everybody should be, you must be little convinced about things, that these are the few things, these are the 10 major points which I picked up, that this is important for people to lose weight, stay healthy, be fit. Thank you. Anything else, Vijaya, which you people, if you have any queries, please come with me.
Yes, thank you very much. That was really a very important 10 points that, in fact, which is mainly incorporated into our program as well. Thank you very much for bringing up all those important points. I'm just going to stop the recording now so we can take questions from everyone. Thank you very much. Just give me a minute.